Hey everyone, so today I'm going to guide you on how to get verified as a business on InfinitePay.io. Getting verified is crucial for accessing advanced features and increasing trust with your customers. So let's get started. To begin with, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Navigate to the settings or verification section afterwards. This is where you can start the verification process. Select the option to verify as a business or similar option. You may need to provide information such as your business name, address, contact details, and legal documentation. For that, you need to prepare the necessary documents for verification, which typically include business registration certificates, tax identification numbers, and possibly proof of address. Now upload these documents securely through the InfinitePay.io platform as instructed. Ensure that the documents are clear, valid, and match the information provided. Once submitted, wait for the InfinitePay.io to review your application. This process may take some time depending on the volume of applications and verification requirements. Check your email or account notification for updates on the verification status. InfinitePay.io may request additional information or documents if needed. After verification is complete, you will receive confirmation and access to enhanced features tailored to businesses. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to get verified as a business on InfinitePay.io. Being verified enhances your credibility and opens up more opportunities to manage transactions effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.